Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the phone app. Tap Favorites immediately and scan the list for the contact you want removed. Once found, press Edit in the top left. This lets you change the favorites list directly. Make sure to confirm you are editing the correct contact type, call, message, or FaceTime, because favorites store specific actions. You're doing this now to avoid deleting the contact itself. This step removes only the shortcut from favorites. Once you tap the red minus icon, press Delete to remove that favorite entry. This action is immediate. If the contact has multiple favorite actions, like mobile and FaceTime, remove each one you don't want. Make sure to check under Recents if a number reappears, because favorites can be re-added from call history. After removing entries, tap Done to save changes. This keeps the contact intact while cleaning your favorites shortcuts efficiently. Finish by tapping Done and inspecting the Favorites tab to confirm removal. If a removed favorite reappears, make sure contact syncing is stable. Go to Settings, tap your name, iCloud, then toggle Contacts Off and back on to force a resync. If that doesn't work, sign out of iCloud and sign in again or reboot the phone. This refreshes the Favorites cache. These steps clear sync glitches without deleting the actual contact entries from your Contacts app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.